All right, so we just got the UBoter robotic pool cleaner for above ground pools. Interesting, but we'll see if it works for an inside pool too. You get a user's manual, right? It's going to give you the quick start. You know, you guys can do screenshots of this. All right, I do believe this is probably the transformer and the plug. Yep, there it is. So this is a little bit different, so you got to make sure that you match it up right. Let's set that down. All right, now I think we can just go ahead and pull it out. Let me see. Okay, yeah, I'm going to do it like this. And, oh, we got it upside down. Flip it over. Okay, oh, it does come with a hook. And you can hook that up onto your pole that you use for your, you know, like your net skimmer. So yeah, you want to hang on to that. And this, these are going to go in the bottom. We have to, you know, connect them. You know what I mean, jelly beans? It says don't turn it upside down like this. So I don't know what that's trying to tell us, but we'll figure it out. All right, so here we are. Let's just grab it by the back. There it is. Wow, it's really, it looks cool, doesn't it? Check it out, it looks pretty cool. It says on here, it says, all devices are tested underwater before leaving the factory to ensure proper, it's normal to have some water in droplets. All right, so there might be some water in there. So we'll get that off of there. And let's flip it over here this way. It says, tighten the protective cap before putting the robot in the pool. Make sure the charging port is dry before each charge. So I'm thinking that this is the charging port. Oh yeah, that's the charging port. So we've got to charge it there, right? So I'm going to move all this stuff out of the way. And we'll get her charged up. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug it into this plug back here. So to charge it, you need this, of course. And so let's just undo this. All right. So anyway, here we are. It's about, I don't know, maybe 4 feet a cord. When you look on the charger, you're going to see there's a beveled side, you know, a circular side. So you got to match that up here. So let's get a little bit closer so you guys can see. All right, so if you look here, you're going to see this side's beveled. So I got to put it in there like that. And I got it in good. Now I just got to plug this into my plug over here. So let me go ahead and put it in there. All right, that's in. So here you can see the cable goes here. So now all we got to do is just let this charge up. And when it's fully charged, I think we're going to get it like a green signal here, but this is, it's kind of pulsating. All right, so when you see a flashing green light, which we're kind of seeing right there, you see how it dips a little bit? That means that it's charging. When we get a solid green light, we're going to be ready to go. So we're going to let that charge for an hour or two, and then we'll come back and then we'll put it in the pool. We're going to have to do some more stuff here. We got to put those things on and maybe read the user's manual before we do anything else. But yeah, so far so good. And that's it right there. The UBoter. UBoter? UBoter. That's what I think the name of it is.